Hi folks, it's Hristo from ExiArts channel. Today I want to show you another video from the location of the Ezerovo neighborhood, the neighborhood with the Smolen lakes around my town of Smolen. In this specific video I changed the location a little bit, like maybe 1 kilometer further further away on the road you see from the previous locations of the previous videos, because as you can see, some of you who are regularly on my channel and watch regularly the videos, this is similar to the latest two drone videos, but of course, I mean, the location is similar, the view is similar, but this time I wanted to kind of ground the drone in the way you see now, in some slow going down to try to see how it's gonna be, and then suddenly I wanted to twist the drone to make some kind of a spiral downwards, and of course almost the end of the video. Thanks for watching.